Chinese fan palm is native to southeastern Asia, being most common in Japan, southeastern China, and Taiwan. It also is popular in the United States, South Africa, and other subtropical parts of the world, where it is grown as an ornamental tree. It is also known by names such as the fountain palm and the Chinese fountain palm due to its resemblance to a flowing fountain. In their multi-trunk form, they are often planted in staggered groupings to create a landscape privacy wall or hedge. The large and partially segmented leaves range in color from a bluish green to a glossy olive green and can grow up to 5 feet long and 5 feet wide. On the interior of the leaf stems, there are short spines that enlarge towards the trunk. The Chinese fan palm produces yellow cream inflorescent flowers that are shorter than the leaves, thus making them inconspicuous. Flowers are then followed by small, oval-shaped fruits. The fruit starts out green and turns to a dark blue, then to blue-gray when they are ripe. This is a plant that will typically grow in most soils, but something that is well draining is going to be best so that the roots do not sit in water. The Chinese fan palm tree is getting very popular in Florida landscapes and is also great for indoors and can be used as a houseplant. This palm is very cold hardy and can tolerate drought, which makes it great for desert conditions. This palm can grow in states like Alabama, Arkansas, New Mexico, Oklahoma, South Carolina, and Texas. Good companion plant suggestions include, well, depending on the light, consider false aurelia, croton, white fountain grass, agapanthus, thornbergia, and dracaena. The fruits of the Chinese fan palm have long been used in traditional Chinese medicine as an anti-cancer agent. Phenolic compounds in the seeds and fruits have antibacterial effects due to their astringent properties.